cannot confirm the identity of the operator by traditional unlocking. Unable to control and record the operation, manager cannot control the lost key, and the traditional key is easy to be copied. It will bring risk and social impact to the railway operation once the equipment is damaged. It is also difficult to achieve effective management while using traditional locks. It cannot be effectively controlled during the wrong time period, and it will endanger the personal safety of operators. The system further intelligentizes operation locks, personnel attendance, safety control and accountability through the smart key. Through authorization matching, one key can open multiple locks, and automatically record the operate lock time in real time, so that the workflow management is more standardized. System can realize remote management, unified scheduling and monitoring, meet the requirements of operation and management. The lock status is real-time online, remove management latent hazards. Software can perform statistics and analysis on the data of operate locks, realize the accurate matching of people, locks, and time. Ideal solution to solve your problems in access control, railway, protective nets, equipment boxes, communication boxes, signal boxes. Application. Electromechanical technology record and control every access events. Nowadays Vanma lock products are widely used in more than 20 industries such as electricity, communications, banking, railways, smart cities, and municipal security.